What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be on my mazdaspeed 3, which what you guys see in the description. Replacing the whole fan module or assembly. Show you how to do that. It should be simple, but I know you'll see. So you guys know in the last video, I switched throwing the code for this right here. So I replaced it with the off-brand one, and it worked for like a day. Then it blew it out, and it didn't work no more. So I put my old one back on, and the fan works sometimes. So you guys know, you turn the AC on, the fan should always running. I'll show you guys right now. So, my key. I left my key in there. So I'm gonna show you guys. See, it might come on. It comes on sometimes. Let me see. On. Sound like they might be going. Look, the fan is not going. It's supposed to move all the time. My car kind of overheats when it doesn't. I can't run the AC. I can't run the AC because when I run the AC, cars start overheating and I don't get cold air. So it's annoying. So now got the replacement, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Replacement. So the only thing I'm not seeing, so there's two connectors. Connector right here and there's a plug right here, but it doesn't look like they just put it in with the module. So this is not an OEM. I tried to find an OEM. Supposedly Mazda over here in my dealership said it's discontinued, they don't sell no more. So it's hard to find the OEM one. I got this fan off of Rock Auto. Rock Auto do sell the OEM one supposedly, but when I went on it, it was out of stock. So I'm tired of my car like close to being overheating, and I want AC because it's hot right now. So I've got this. Supposedly I looked at the reviews. It's like an OEM replacement, so we see about that. So yeah, I'll show you guys what to do with how to put it on. All right, first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. So get your fan. You want to take off these two little Phillips head little clips. They look like this, like that. There's two of them right here, right here. So if you guys running the intake box like me, you want to take off your clamp and your hose, and you take off your air duct, stock air duct. It's right here. Right here, you want to take this off. If you guys not running, just running the filter right here, then you should be good. But still, you still have this. Take it off. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm trying to hurry up. Show you guys. I'm trying to hurry up. I'm on lunch at work, so I'm gonna take this off and I get to the next step. So there you go. It's off. So it looks like this. That's open. So now you see little right here. These little tabs right here. You push them up and you pull up on these. Same on this side, right there. But what you're gonna do is you want to unplug your connector right here. All right, so the connector's off. So next step is you see the little bolt sticking out. So now you want to take that off. This is a T220. Take that off. Then next step is you lift the car up and go from there. So I'm gonna take mine out. I'm using it. Pull it out. So right there. Now I'll lift the car up and I'll show you. All right. So next step is so you see these clips right here. This one right here in the corner. And this one right here too. So all you do is you loosen those. And you push up, and the fan should go up. And so I'm hoping I can just pull it down. I hope my piping won't be in the way. But yeah, you just push up and then pull it down. So that's all you got to do. And just make sure your connectors, everything is pulled up. So you see a little tab right here. Right here, you just push down on it and then pull up on it. And then the fan should come up. It should goes up. Then you can pull it down. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. And then I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so I have the fan out. So of course I had to take my piping out because it was hitting. But you guys don't have that. There you go. Everything's back in. Fan is in. Connector switch, everything's in. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. Battery's connected too. I'm gonna turn it on and see if it works. There you go, guys. Fan is working for the connector. So you see it's missing now. It's not connected. So I know it's on the fan. One was missing because it's for that. So you have to plug that in. So zip tie that in. Make sure you hit on anything. But yeah, fan is working. So you guys put on your fan. I just want to show you guys. So you see how there's two little small pins on the side. One of the pins are missing. It's for because it's for that ground, that for that connector. So that since that doesn't have it, so it doesn't have that one pin. There you go, guys. That's how you install your fan assembly on your mazdaspeed 3. So I don't know if you guys heard me, so I'll say it again. So this is not an OEM one. This is one that's it's supposed to be like OEM. It's supposed to be OEM. So that's what that fan is. So the connectors. So there's on the OEM fan. There's like a little pin where you put that connector where I showed you that's not plugged in. So that doesn't the old one doesn't, or the new one doesn't have that. So but I noticed on the big connector you plug in, one of the pins is missing. So it's missing because for that connector not being there no more. So you just zip tie it, put it somewhere so it doesn't get hit to the fan. But yeah, it's working right now. My AC is working now. I'm getting cold air, and the fan, like you seen, the fan is moving. So the reason why I did it, because like I showed you in the last video, my switch went out. I'll show you the code. You get the code for the control module switch. So if you guys getting that, I just recommend getting the whole fan assembly, because what I found out, my fan was malfunctioning. It blew out. It was blowing out. It blew out that one other switch that I got. That's what I'm thinking. Because I put a probe on my old fan and it will kick on, but then turn right back off. Again, when you turn your AC on, your fan should be always running, always. So yeah, so that's why I decided to replace the whole fan with the switch, and it works. So I recommend just buying a whole fan assembly. If you guys can find an OEM one, perfect. That even better. If I come across a OEM one, brand new one, like I said, I got this fan from Rock Auto, and supposedly Rock Auto has OEM ones, but when I went on it, they was out of stock. So that's why I got this, because like I said, I didn't want to mess my motor up. It was trying to overheat. So yeah, I'll do another review a few months later, see how this fan holding up, and get back to you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And oh yeah, guys, I hit 900 subscribers. Thank you guys for the ones that subscribe and been watching my videos. Trust me, more stuff's coming for the Mazda and the G35. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'm happy my AC's working because it's getting really hot. But yeah, that's how you guys install your fan. It's really easy. Just the 4 tabs, and like I said, if you have a front mount, you might have to take that piping off that I took off. But if you don't, it should be smooth sailing from there. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and see you in the next one.